Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Drop your questions and comments below. I would be glad to answer it. For quick updates, of course, follow me on X. The link is in the description below. So starting with the Solana on the daily chart, as you can see for our impulse towards the upside, where we are looking to a 1, 2, 3 and then 4, and we are still looking for a wave 5 towards the upside. Now, as you can see in the base channel taken from the wave 1 and based on the wave 2 here, we can see that we have already broken this channel towards the upside, claiming that this is a 100% an impulse towards the upside with the wave 3 ranging as well on this channel, where you want to see it as working as a support for this price action. And of course, entering inside your corrective channel, which is in the blue color here. And as you can see, we have potentially finished as A, B, and a C, of course, claiming that we have bottomed here with a wave 4. After this, of course, you want to seek for a bullish pattern that it should unfold, telling us that we are moving towards the upside. If we take a closer look here, we are potentially looking for a 1, 2 and then 1, 2 and another 1, 2 towards the upside. It cannot be really taken as a contracting diagonal because, yeah, it's a very low possibility since your wave 3 high is not higher than your wave 1 here. It didn't took the highs. Therefore, the possibility of a contracting diagonal is a little bit low here. Therefore, we are possibly much more looking for a 1, 2, 1, 2, maybe continuation towards the upside, or a triple 1, 2, where we want to see a shallow wave 2 and then continuation towards the upside. Now, this is of course only your bullish scenario. Of course, there is always a bearish scenario. So starting with the bearish scenario here, where we can see, of course, something different. It is very possible that our wave 4 is still ranging and it's gonna still range inside this blue zone. And in that case scenario, we are looking at here A, B, and a C as a W, and as A, B, and a C as a W, and we are looking at a flat, expanding flat as A, B, and a C towards the upside. So we have a zigzag and then ABC as a flat here, where it is still working as a running flat, because as an expanding flat here, it is a little bit hard to take the high so far. In that case scenario, you are into a running flat, and as we always say, after a running flat, you might see, of course, a reversal for the market. And in that case scenario, of course, you want to finish a wave Y, or with a structure of a wave Y, which it might be a zigzag, of course, as A, B, and a C. So in that case, we are looking, of course, for lower prices as bearish scenario, short-term bearish scenario inside those fib levels, where you are still inside probably your corrective wave or channel here, where you want to seek for higher prices after finishing this structure. So this is a bearish scenario. Another bullish scenario, which is also a WXY wave 4, where we might have finished a WXY here with your W, of course, as well taken as an A, B, and a C in a zigzag, and also your ABC is another zigzag here for X, and your Y is a triangle in A, B, C, D, and E. Finishing a wave E towards the downside and then start moving up with 1, 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Possibly that we might, of course, continue in case, of course, we seek for our higher prices. Now, to know much more clearer what's going on inside this area, we need, of course, to dive a little bit deeper inside the 1 hour chart to check our bullish and bearish scenarios there. So if we have our bullish scenario here, we are looking, of course, our bullish pattern that we have claimed in the daily chart, where we are looking possibly for a wave 1 and then a wave 2, another 1 and another 2, and possibly another 1 towards the upside, or even continuation with a wave 3 towards the upside after having 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In that case scenario, of course, you want to check what is going on inside this area to see exactly what are the potential. Now, if we zoom in inside, we can see that we already have a continuation with kind of an impulsive pattern where we can see a 1 and then ABC, of course, hitting almost the perfect fib level for a wave 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potentially finished here in the white count. So we can count here a 1, 2, 3 finished, right? For the orange count here, where we are looking, of course, for another impulse, which it should be in a bigger label. We are looking, of course, for a wave 3 here, and we see some kind of a conflict between Bitcoin and Solana. We are looking for Solana here for possibly a wave 4 as a triangle, as you can see here, ranging, which is a perfect pattern, by the way, for a wave 4 to range almost between the 0.38 and 0.23 fib level for a wave 4. Now, Bitcoin, of course, is dropping kind of like much more clearly. Now, we know that the volume of Bitcoin is always higher. However, the Solana give us kind of like a signal that we might still look for some bullish scenarios towards the upside. And this might also be next on Bitcoin as well. So, after finishing your corrective wave here, which is, it might be a triangle where we are looking for a wave towards the downside, you want to look after directly for a price towards the upside, and of course continuation for your wave 5. And by all means, you have finished here your scenario of your wave 3 inside as this white count, 1, 2, and a 3 towards the upside. And of course, we are looking for 4, 5 again in order to finish our bigger wave 1, 2 here, and then finishing it in 3, 4, and a 5. So of course, higher prices are still very possible in Solana, very, very possible, until we break, of course, this triangle. Now, your invalidation for this triangle is exactly this price or this wave low here, where you don't want to break it if you want to be bullish. If you break this price here, given at the $164 for Solana, this is your invalidation towards the upside. So we're gonna write invalidation of a wave 4. Here we go. So in that case scenario, of course, we are going towards the downside. If we break this level, definitely this is a signal for a bearish, short bearish scenario possibly, and then of course potentially continue towards the upside in case we hit some other fib levels here. It might be, of course, as A, B, and a C somehow, and then move up again. So in your bearish scenario for this, of course, is 1 hour chart, we can see that, of course, we might continue our WXY as spoken in the daily chart, right, where you might have an X here where you have finished almost a running flat, where you are looking here at 3 waves up and then 3 waves down as a zigzag, and you are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. However, the 5 waves did not reach the high of this flat. Therefore, of course, we are looking for a reversal here where we are looking for lower prices. So basically, this is it for Solana. To recap the things, we are still in a very potential bullish scenarios for Solana, where we are still ranging in a corrective wave 4 for the orange scenario, and then maybe finishing a wave 5 for it. By all means, you want to finish, of course, a bigger wave 3 here for the white count, and then of course we are looking for 4, 5 and 4, 5 again to finish this 1, 2 and 1, 2. So that's it for Solana. Let's watch and see what's gonna happen. If you like the content, please press the like button and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet for more updates. See you in the next one. Bye bye.